Alright, so this next recipe I'm going to be making Fluffernutter sandwiches. And this is what you need. Just mini marshmallows, Ritz crackers, and peanut butter. This is a great snack for kids and super easy. Alright, so what you need first is your Ritz crackers. And you want to make sandwiches, so you need 2 per sandwich. I have 5 kids. I'm gonna give them at least 2 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Alright, your peanut butter. And you can do this with chunky or smooth. I still have a lot of chunky left, so we're gonna do that. A little bit of peanut butter on each of your sandwiches. And you need it smooth enough because you're going to be putting marshmallows also. Put them on these sandwiches. Alright. Now I'm going to start doing marshmallows, making sure I have enough lids for them. And you can do the fluff too. If you don't have the fluff, whoops, you can do it with just marshmallows. There you go. I kind of think I'm going to do it a little differently now. Alright, there we go. Alright, you got your peanut butter, marshmallows in the middle. Alright guys, it's super yummy, very easy to make. Normally you have crackers, peanut butter, and marshmallows of some sort, at least I do at home. So this is a good afternoon snack, you can make it ahead, and the kids will love it. I'm doing 3 marshmallows. Obviously, if your kids can't have peanut butter, you can do almond butter. Lots of alternatives here. I don't know why I haven't. Oh, there it is. Oops. That one's gonna have an extra marshmallow on it. There we go. Okay. So, here you go. Super easy. Fluffernutter sandwiches. Try to say that 4 times or 3 times in a row, huh? Fluffernutter. Kids love it. Go give it a try.